Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Clarity for Sure once again, and in this session we will try to break down the syllabus of our EDI examination. So as you guys already know, EDI is going to release its notification regarding the recruitment of assistant manager for the year 2026, and in this session we will try to understand, we will try to break down the syllabus of EDI examination. In the previous video we have already covered the examination pattern of this particular examination, and in this session we will try to break down the syllabus of EDI. So as far as the phase 2 examination of EDI is concerned, it consists of 3 papers, right? Paper 1, paper 2 and paper 3. So paper 1 is your English descriptive. English descriptive, right? That is your paper 1 for your phase 2 examination of EDI. So we will be starting from the paper number 2, that is your ESI impacting insurance, economic and social issue impacting insurance, and this is little different from what you used to study in your RBI examination, for your RBI examination, because here it is ASI impacting insurance. So these are the topics: macroeconomics and insurance market. Here comes the topics like economic growth, business cycle. Then there is insurance penetration and age structure, utility, different utility theories and premium setting, macroeconomic shocks, that is such as catastrophes, pandemics and systematic crises. Then there is another sections, financial system and systematic risk. It consists of topics like financial markets. As you already know, there are 2 types of market: money market and capital market. Money market is for short term, capital market is for long term. Financial institutions, different financial institutions like NBFCs, banks and mutual funds, interconnectedness among them and systematic risk involved, concentration of risk. These are the topics. Next is your capital risk and development role. Here comes the topic like economic and risk based capital. What do you mean by reinsurance and risk transfer? Reinsurance, these topics has been already covered in our previous EDI videos. You can watch the video by going to the playlist of our YouTube channel, right? Economic impact of reinsurance. What are the impact of reinsurance in the different, for the different stakeholders, right? Insurance in infrastructure. Then there is the section of insurance reform and regulation in India. What are the different economic and sectoral reforms in India? EDI and its regulatory functions as far as the insurance sector is concerned. Insurance sector is concerned. What are the role of actuary, de-trafficking and motor insurance, FSLRC and its changing laws, right? Now comes the section number E, social dimension of insurance. What are the different dimensions of insurance as far as the social sector is concerned? Social structure and rural insurance. What do you mean by rural insurance? How it is different from the traditional insurance, and what are the different stakeholders that are involved in rural insurance, right? Micro insurance and social security. What do you mean by micro insurance? And RSBY health scheme for BPL, that is below poverty line. These are the topics which we have to cover for our ESI impacting insurance paper of EDI. Clear? Now here comes the paper number 3. So paper number 3 consists of 2 parts, part 1, part 2. Part 1 is your insurance, right, insurance paper, and part 2 is your management paper, that is somewhere similar to the what you used to study for your RBI examination, right? This is somewhere similar with the RBI syllabus. Now here is your paper number 2, insurance, history of Indian insurance and principle of different principle of insurance. These topics have been already covered in our previous YouTube sessions. You can watch the video by going through our to our playlist, right? What is the history of Indian insurance? When did the insurance in India get started? What was the name of the first company? right? And the principles of insurance, there are different principles of insurance which we have to study for this paper number 3. Then there is the risk, uncertainty and pooling of risk. What do you mean by pooling of risk? Risk and uncertainty. Indemnity, what do you mean by indemnity? And insurable interest. Legal foundation and banca insurance. See, banca insurance is a concept where insurance companies tie up with the banks in order to sell their insurance product to the banking customers. This is the concept of banca insurance. Legal foundations of insurance, basics in group health insurance as well as pensions, intermediations and banca insurance in India. These are the topics. Now comes the section number D. Functions of insurance in businesses, product design and pricing, distribution and underwriting, claims, investment and reinsurance, as well as Reinsurance GIC of India, that is your company, Insurance Company of India obligatory session. What do you mean by reinsurance? Again, these topics are very covered in a very detailed manner in our YouTube sessions, right? Next is your paper number 3 part 2. Part 2 which consists of your management paper, right? Here comes the nature and scope of management, its nature and scope, management processes, planning, organization, staffing, directing, controlling, role of manager in an organization. Usually these are the type of paper which you usually study in your MBA, right? That is Master of Business Administration. Now here comes the leadership, task of a leader, right? Task of a leader, leadership styles, leadership theories. What are the different theories given for leadership? Successful leader versus effective leader. Human resource development, HRD. Here comes your HRD. Concept and goals of HRD, career planning, training and development. Performance appraisal. Performance appraisal. There is appraisal when you perform good in any companies. That is the topic is all about. Potential appraisal and development. Feedback and performance counseling. Rewards. That is for employee welfare. Rewards and punish. Motivation, morale and incentives. Theories of motivations, how manager motivate, and concept and factors determining the morale. These are the topics which you have to study in your paper number 3 part 2, that is your management paper, right? So soon we will be going to start a new batch for our ADA examination. For that, stay tuned, and that's it for the session. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, hit the like button, do subscribe our YouTube channel, follow us on Telegram and Instagram as well for daily updates. Thank you so much.